The ASTRALSHIP 2-in-1 glass air fryer stands out by combining air frying and grilling in a single compact appliance that genuinely saves counter space in smaller kitchens or recreational vehicles. Its dual-capacity setup, with a larger glass bowl for family-style meals and a smaller tray for single portions, makes it surprisingly flexible for both solo cooks and households. The clear, heat-resistant glass bowl lets you watch food as it cooks, which helps prevent overcooking and adds confidence when trying new recipes. 7 straightforward digital presets take the guesswork out of common dishes, so even beginners can get consistently crisp and evenly cooked results with minimal effort. Rapid circulating hot air delivers the kind of browning and crunch people expect from deep frying while using far less oil, which is a real plus for healthier everyday cooking. Non-toxic, easy-to-clean materials, along with built-in cooling and overheat safeguards, make this unit feel well thought out for regular, worry-free use.